morning, sir.
Morning, good morning. How many times you guys will say good morning? Okay, all
Good
ready?
morning.
All ready, all ready. Please turn your cameras on, turn your cameras on.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, sir,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
sir. Okay. Where is Anj? Anj, John, Jacob, where are you?
Good morning,
Okay,
sir.
all are ready now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. All get up. Can you see my screen? Only one person, give me my answer. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. All get ready, all get ready. Rahil, stand up. Oh,
Don't think about it, just move your body. Listen to the music, sing oh yeah, oh. Just move those left feet.
guys, you can all come sit down. Next week we'll learn the song, okay? We'll learn the song to sing, okay? We'll learn to sing the song. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll come sit down for the class.
Good morning, children. Hope you enjoyed that dance. Okay. Sir was not able to come. Now he's there. He was there and he showed you. And sir will teach you the song later. Now, all turn off your mic. Turn off your mic and get ready for EVS. Okay. Good. All turn off your mic. When a teacher tells you something, you have to do it. John,
Yes,
Jasiel,
ma'am.
Riha, turn off your mic and get ready for EVS. Okay, thank you, David. Now listen, let's see what we are going to do. Okay, now? I just want to talk about pollution. Okay, children, pollution. What do you mean by pollution? That word. That's nothing so big to talk about pollution, but it's very dangerous. The place we live, the water that we drink. Now, once again, I want to see whether all have settled. Listen, children, all of you stand. Stand, all of you. We all are talking now. Stand, sit. Sit back, sit down, sit down. Don't open anything, nothing in your book. Ma'am is going to tell you something else. Nothing in your book. Okay? Close all your books, sit back, relax. Joshika, please close your books. Rida, pay attention in class. Yes. No one should disturb me. Now we are just going to talk about pollution. What do you mean by pollution? Niral, keep that pencil away. Is it Punnit? Chain Punnit? Return, sit up straight. I just want everybody to settle. Then only I will take class. Stop all other work. John, sit back. Yes, John, sit back. You can leave your hands on the table. Ritun, take out your hand from your chin and keep it like relax and sit. And we are just going to see what is pollution. That's very dangerous. Who's this? Akshara, behave yourself. Principal ma'am is watching everybody right now. Ma'am is asking why these children are behaving like this. Be good. Because you enjoyed 3 classes now. Jacob sir was teaching you some exercise and Shashikumar sir had some questions and all of you answered. Next time don't do like that. No chorus answer. John, settle soon. Then David sir just showed you one dance. Okay, now come back to EVS. Pollution, the place we live, the water that we drink. Nothing in your book, you have to see to the screen. The air that we breathe and the people, animals and plants around us make our environment. Okay, the place we live, the surroundings. Okay, people, animals, plants and the water we drink, the place we live, the air we breathe, all these together form an environment. And why to make this environment dirty? How can you prevent all this? If we have dirty and unhealthy things enter our environment, it is pollution. Dirty, I'm going to ask each one of you. Dirty and unhealthy things. There are 4 kinds of pollution. Let us see about them in detail. Now, I need Cyrus to tell me what are the dirty. Children, settle soon. Enough of playing. Cyrus, can you tell me the dirty and unhealthy things? Anyone? Anyone? To make surroundings bad.
A very loud noise.
Very good. That's noise pollution. Very loud noise. Now, Effie, can you tell me?
Thank you, ma'am.
Some other pollution. Now, noise pollution. Cyrus finished telling. Anything else connected with?
Ma'am, land pollution.
Very good. Yeah.
Only
It's not your turn. Only Effie's turn. Turn off your mic. Like how you sat and answered Shashikumar sir. No chorus answer. Effie, can you tell me about land pollution? How do you make the land dirty?
By throwing waste and
Very good. Throwing waste.
things in the
Yes. Only Effie, not putting in the dustbin. Now, Rida, tell about water pollution, Rida. Listen to the question and speak. Unnecessarily, you don't turn your mic on. Come on, Rida, tell me about water pollution now. Do you know the answer?
We put waste in the water, ma'am.
Very good. See, you're not supposed to throw waste. Some people will go through all the waste in the water and they go wash their clothes over there and they're polluting the water now. That is water pollution. You cannot use that water again. Now, children have been settled. Akshara is dancing. Harish, settle soon. Not Akshara, that's Juanshree. Sorry, Akshara. No, Veerti, settle soon. And Ritun?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritun, next time when you enter the class, comb your hair, cut your hair. You're sitting in a classroom and behaving like this. Be good children. Okay, Aratrika, can you tell something about the pollution? It can be anything. Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution. Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by air pollution? Air pollution.
Air pollution, like
How the air gets dirty? What will you
air
see?
is
Yeah.
dirty. Like when the petrol is not there, we put petrol, it will.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
The
Fine.
air will-
Yeah. Another thing, children, when you burn things outside anyway, that smoke comes out and it will cause air pollution. You cannot breathe all that. Okay. Very good, Aratrika. Now let's see what we have to see over here. Don't talk in between. So we have dirty and unhealthy. If the environment is dirty, it is very, very unhealthy for you. We have to see to it. Let us see in detail. Now, listen. You can take out your textbook. You have some activity over there. Pollution. Please write today's date next to that pollution. Care, set, go. Today's date is 17/2. Tick the place. I don't want anybody to turn on your mic. Be good. Be attentive in class. So all will be able to learn from the classroom itself. No need for you to go to the recording and that. Tick the place. Where would you like to go for a picnic? First you do that. You see the first place. See the second place. I just want Sandy to explain after seeing both the pictures on the screen. Can you speak about the first picture? Tell about it. Yes?
The first picture is
Very clean. Yeah, clean, tidy, Sandy. Good. Tarush, can you tell me about the second picture? What do you see over there? Second picture. Tarush, not there. Ansh John, can you tell me something about the second picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell? See, what do you feel like? Is the first picture dirty or the second picture dirty?
Ma'am, second.
Yes. Now, Ansh, would you like to go for a picnic? Which place? The first place or the second place?
First place, ma'am.
So you can put a tick mark. Now, what is wrong with the second picture? Tell me.
Ma'am, it's very dirty with all glasses.
Who's that screaming over there?
I buy a telescope.
It's very dirty, Ansh. All the dirty things, papers and everything is thrown over there. Okay. Thank you, Ansh. Turn off your mic. Let me see who was screaming over there. Let me see. I just want to see who misbehaved just now. Screaming. Turn off your mic, please. Everybody turn off. Now you can take out your textbook and you can take the picture which you feel better to go for a picnic. Now, can you explain? This question goes to Kanira. Can you tell me, Kanira, why did you choose the first picture? Why did you choose?
It was clean.
It's a clean place to go. Nobody likes to go to a dirty place. Thank you, Kanira. Turn off your mic. Actually, you have to tell your partner, but here you cannot tell because we are having online classes. You can share with me. Now let's see the next one. Environment is important. We finished explaining about pollution. The place where we live, the water that we drink, the air that we breathe, and the people, animals, and plants around us make our environment. Surrounding. You can underline that word. ENVIRONMENT. Environment. Surrounding area. It includes everything. people, animals, plants. Without all this, we cannot live. When dirty and unhealthy things enter into our environment, it is called pollution. You cannot expect a neat environment every time, but we can make our environment clean by doing so many things. First of all, you have to see to your classrooms. Now you are in your house, you have to see to your house. Each room, whether you are maintaining each room, are you throwing the waste here and there? Keep a dustbin. One dustbin is enough. One you have to keep it in your kitchen, one somewhere else. So kitchen items your mother will be throwing over there separately. Okay, all the plastic items in one, and that can be recycled. And another, all waste of your vegetables and all that in another one. You can keep one next to your room or in the hall where people cannot see. So you can throw your waste, like sharpening your pencil, after sharpening the shavings, okay, pencil shavings, and the paper, waste paper. Pollution is not good for the environment. It makes living things sick. Everybody will fall sick. Okay. Let's read about the different kinds of pollution. As we said, one by one, they were explaining about the land pollution. See the picture, it's very bad. When people throw waste in public places, it causes land pollution. See now, some people will be traveling in a bus. Now some of you will be traveling in a car. You will be eating some chocolate. You will be eating some snacks. You are not supposed to throw the waste outside, especially the skin of plantain. Okay, if you throw that, people will be walking on the road. They'll slip and fall. Vehicles, cycles, all big vehicles, no problem, but small children, people, old people. So must be very, very careful. You don't slow, you just throw the things out. You collect all that in a waste bag and throw it in a dustbin when you reach that spot. When people throw waste in public places, it causes land pollution. The land gets dirty and makes the environment unclean. Germs breed in such dirty places. See the mosquitoes, all the worms. Understood, children? You throw all the things here and there, germs will be like they'll breed in such dirty places. They lay eggs, and the flies will lay eggs, the mosquitoes will lay eggs, and many mosquitoes will come. Okay, these germs cause diseases. Diseases means sickness. You fall sick when you drink dirty water, when you do not wash your hands, when you are not clean. You're going out and playing, coming back without washing your hands, eating your food. All this unhealthy behavior will cause diseases for you. So be careful. Now let's see. Water pollution. See that water, children? It was neat before. People made it dirty. People. People means we, all of us. We are the cause of all these things. Okay. It may not be you, each one, but people.
Ma'am, I don't throw things in water.
Now, who wants to take class over here? Whose mic is on? John, keep all the things down. There's nothing. You can keep your textbook on your table and listen carefully. Now, water pollution. Water gets dirty when weight is thrown into rivers, lakes, ponds, and streams. Water will be collected in rivers, lakes, ponds, and streams. Sometimes in summer, you won't have any water in all these places. That time people will come and dump all the dirty things over there. When they see clean water, clean stream, they will take the animals and give them a bath. Very bad. And people in villages, they go to the riverside and small lakes, they'll wash their clothes. Water also gets dirty when humans see that. And animals bathe in water bodies. These are the water bodies, rivers, lakes, ponds, streams. When they take bath themselves and they bathe the animals, all these water bodies will get dirty things inside. See that? Then you cannot. And the fish live in water, they may die. So must be very careful. Dirty water is polluted water. It causes many diseases. Okay. Taking this water in, whether people use it for cooking or any other purpose, they'll fall sick. Air pollution is shown nicely over there. Anywhere, if any fire accident takes place, the smoke will go into the air, even from the factories. You are not supposed to keep factories in a town, in a crowded area where people live. You cannot. That smoke will make you sick. You cannot breathe in that dirty smoke. Smoke from factories and vehicles pollute the air. Okay, everything. Actually, smoke from vehicles. If many vehicles are on the road, smoke from all these vehicles will pollute the air. The air becomes dirty and poisonous. You cannot breathe in this poisonous air. Nowadays, I think more than 1 year we are using the mask, so you are saved from all this. Okay, this is called air pollution. We may fall sick if we breathe in polluted air. Just I'm giving you explanation. Next class, one by one, I will ask you questions and you have to keep in your mind all these main points. What I'm teaching you now. How water gets polluted, how air, how noise pollution occurs. All this you have to keep in your mind. I know that you got an idea of all this. We may fall sick if we breathe in polluted air. Noise pollution is very, very bad. Even when you are sitting in your classroom, you are sitting in your house, online classes going on now. What a lot of noise pollution. Vehicles will be going up and down. Some people will be talking over the mic about the elections or selling things that be going on, telling. All that will affect you. And some people, they need rest. Especially old people. They all need good environment to live. At that time, if you have a temple, it's not that I'm finding mistake, children. A temple or church or any feast is going on, they'll be going on drumming so loud, the mic will be in full sound. Okay, children, you must not do music. You must not keep your music very loud. Even when you travel in a car, soft music will be better than loud music. Okay? Keep in your mind. An unpleasant sound is called noise. It's not pleasant. Listening to music, a soft one, it's nice. But loud music, it's called noise. You can't tell it's lovely music, it's noise. Horns of vehicles, beep, 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 they'll be going on pressing. Loudspeakers, loud music, sounds from firecrackers are all noisy, children. Firecrackers, they are very, very dangerous. You must have watched, like you must have seen during Diwali season, how this fireworks took place, full of smoke. On the land, all the papers, not turning on your mind, and land, all the papers, okay? So, these sounds cause all pollution and loud noise can not hearing. Tridip, turn off your mic, please. Turn off and just wait there. Don't give any noise over there. Now listen, children.
My mic is turned
No, your mic was on. Just leave it. I heard some noise from that. Only your mic. No, never mind. Just wait. Now, children, we're just telling about Tridip. Still, it's on, but you can just check it. Now listen. Only from that mic it came. Now listen, children. Now you know about noise pollution, water pollution, land pollution. Okay. You must not keep loudspeakers. You must not keep music very loud in cars, wherever you are. And it's not very advisable to use your headphone and going on shaking all the time and hearing the music. It will affect your ears, eardrum. Loud noise may occur damage to your ears. You're too small now. Okay, children. And children, I'm telling you, when you are attending the class from any room, see that you are comfortable. No other disturbance. You must switch off your TV. You must switch off all other items. And the person who is attending the class or taking the class, your parents or your brother, they can be in some other place. Because when I ask you any question, full of disturbance, and you will be going on explaining, no ma'am, I didn't do this, so I don't want to hear all that. When you sit in a place, you must